Good morning, guys. Good morning, all. So in the last session, we have seen what is ETL, why we will use ETL, and what is the purpose of a ETL project. That's what we have seen in the last session. Okay. So what exactly an ETL is, what is data is, where the data is coming from. Okay. Where the data is coming from. And by taking the data, what is this? Please wait, let me clear all. So by taking the data, what we need to do? All those things we have seen in the last session. So if you joined only today, you please complete the last session, okay, so that you will understand. Now, so we are all learning, okay. We are 1 second, please. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay, so we are all learning here ETL Informatica development course. So it is ETL Informatica development course, Informatica PowerCenter development course. Okay. Yes, that is what we are learning. Yeah. Okay. So now we have seen already what is ETL is. So now, like Informatica, we have different ETL tools in market. Okay. Like Informatica, we have different ETL tools in market. What are the different ETL tools in software industry? You are learning Informatica. Like this, we have different tools called ODI, Oracle Data Integrator, Talend, it's also ETL tool, Pentaho, Data Stage, BO, Business Objects, okay, SQL Server, SSIS, 1 second, please. So we have SSIS, ab initio. There are lots of ETL tools in market. In market, there are in BO, there are two types of things are there. ETL also there, reporting also there. Okay, ETL also there and reporting also there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, so, but in these ETL tools, these are the different ETL tools. The popular ETL tool, from 20-25 years onwards, okay, it did not lose its its importance. So that is Informatica. Every company is using still Informatica. It is most popular ETL tool among all in software industry. Now, what is exactly an Informatica? So Informatica also a company. It is also a software company. Informatica also a software company. Okay. So where it is located? It is located in US. It is located in US. Okay, it's also a software company. That is called data integration company. So Informatica is developed different tools. Okay. So Informatica is a software company that is called a data integration company. Informatica has developed many ETL tools, many tools, not ETL tools, many tools. Like PowerCenter, it is owned by many tools. Okay. That means Informatica has developed first Informatica PowerCenter, which we are learning now. Okay. So now a new technology has come, a advanced technology from Informatica, Informatica Cloud, Information Lifecycle Management, Master Data Management or Big Data Management, IDQ, Informatica Data Quality, Test Data Management, Informatica TDM, MDM, Master Data Quality. Like this, they have different tools available with their company. Different companies will use different tools. Okay. Now, but to learn any of this tool, if you want to learn Informatica Cloud, Informatica PowerCenter basics is required. Whatever I am telling you in the class, at least those details required to learn any of these tools. Okay. To learn Informatica Cloud, To learn Informatica Cloud, you require cloud. To learn IDQ, you require Informatica PowerCenter. So to learn any of the Informatica tool, you must learn PowerCenter. You must learn Informatica PowerCenter. Without learning Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica PowerCenter, Informatica Axon also on it. It is not a ETL tool. These are other tools, but Informatica Cloud is a ETL tool. So now we are learning Informatica PowerCenter. An advanced tool has come, Informatica Cloud. It is also ETL tool. To learn Informatica Cloud, that is also called IACS, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services. To learn Informatica Cloud, Informatica PowerCenter basics are required. Okay, so that is about Informatica company. In Informatica company is in Hyderabad, it is in Bangalore, in CV Ramanagar. Okay, so there are in India wide also the companies exist. It is a product based company. Okay, that's about Informatica. Did you understand, please? What are the tools available in Informatica? Did you understand what are the tools available in Informatica? Yeah. Okay. Next thing is ETL. Coming to the ETL, I told you already this about ETL. ETL means what? We will be having transaction data in different tables. We'll be having transaction data in different tables. We will extract it. We will extract the data from different tables. Okay. So before going to that, before going to ETL process and all, okay, we'll learn something about database. Okay, we'll learn something about database today. Before going to the other things, okay, we will see some database things. I'll come back to here again. I already told you about it, so I cannot start from beginning. You have to see the previous video. Go through my previous video and watch it so that you will understand this session. Okay, if you don't watch it also, you will understand. You don't need to worry. So now, so everything is on data. Everything is on data. So ETL means what? ETL. ETL means extract, transform. ETL means what? Extract, transform, and load. This I have already discussed in the last session. Okay. So what we have? Extract, transform, and load. Extract from where? Extract what? Data. From where? Extract the data from source. Extract the data from source, table or a file. Extract the data from source, table or a file. Modify the data. Transform means modify the data and load the data to target table. Load the data to target table. Load the data to target table or a file. Target table or a file. So we will extract it, we'll modify it as per the business rules, and we'll load it to a target table. This is called OLTP table. This is called OLAP table. Okay, online transaction processing, online analytical processing. We will take the raw data, we will analyze it, and we will send to target table. This is called ETL process. So now, to do ETL process, you must know about database. Without database, you cannot work on ETL. Without data, first of all, last session I already told, okay, there is a data. So data can be in the format of two types. Data will be in the format of two types. Data can come in the format of a table or a file. When you go to any business, if you go to a supermarket, retail data will be there. If you go to a bank, banking data will be there. If you go to insurance company, insurance data will be there. If you go to movies data will be there. So everything, the data will be there. Okay, everything, the data will be there. Understanding? If you go to a college, student data will be there. If you go to a college, student data will be there. So everywhere data exists. Okay. So when you go to any business, they will maintain the data. They will enter the transactions. When they enter the transactions, okay, if you go to a hospital, then healthcare data. healthcare data will be there. So if you go to any business, they will, if they have system, they are entering something means it is called a transactional data. Okay, it can be any data. Okay, so data divided into two types, table or a file. Okay, if data is coming in format of rows and columns, it's called a table. If the data is coming in the format of rows and columns, it is called a table. Suppose here there is a table like this. There is a table like this. Okay, this is called a table. Table will be having horizontal lines and vertical lines. Horizontal lines are called rows. Horizontal lines are called rows or records, or rows or records. The vertical lines are called vertical lines are called columns or fields or attributes or attributes. So suppose I have a table called student table. Suppose I have a table called students table. Okay, this is students table. In the students table, I have different columns called student ID, student name, marks, okay, and city. So if you go to college, okay, they will maintain the data like this: 10 Raj, 100, okay, 100 Bangalore. This is one row. This is one row. 100 Raj, 10 Raj, 100 Bangalore is one row. 20 Ram, 200 Chennai is one row. 30 Ramesh, 300 Goa, one row. 440 Divya, 500 Vizag is one more row. 60 Ramya, okay, 600 Delhi is one more row. So this horizontal things are called rows. The vertical things are called columns or fields or attributes. This is called a column header or column names. This first line is called in a table is called a column header or a column name. Okay, a table will be having column names, columns, and rows or records. Are you clear? What is a table? Are you clear, please? What is a table? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear? Now, so what I am trying to say, if the data is coming in the format of tables and columns, then that's called a table. That's called a rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns is called a table. Correct. Now, so as I told you, everywhere retail data will be there, banking data will be there, insurance data will be there, movies data will be there, okay, student data, healthcare data. Where this data will store? Where this data will store? This data can be stored in the format of table or a file. This data can be stored in the format of a file or a table, and the collection of tables is called a database. Okay, so retail database, banking database, insurance database, movies database, student database, and healthcare database. Okay, so if everything is a data, where this data will store, it will store under database. Okay, so what I am trying to say, data is in the format of, suppose, leave about files. We'll discuss about tables first, then we'll go to files. Data is in the format of tables. In the format of tables. Data will be stored in the format of tables. Collection of tables is called a database. But before going to database, inside a database, we have a schema. Okay, so inside a database, so it will be like this. It will be like this. Okay, this is my database. This is my database. This is my database. Suppose it's a Oracle database. Whatever, it's a database. In this database, we have schemas first. Schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, schema 4, like this will be having. So it is schema 1. It is schema 1. Please wait. It is schema 1, schema 2, schema 3, schema 4. Okay. Now inside the schema, tables will be there. table 1, table 2, table 2, table 5, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 1, table 2, table 3, table 4, table 5, like this. Okay, so normally database is a collection of data, but how the data will store in database? Inside the database, there will be different schemas. So schema is a collection of objects. Schema is a collection of objects. Objects like tables. Okay, we have tables, views, synonyms. Schema is a collection of objects like tables. So database is collection of schema. Database is collection of schema. Schema is collection of objects like tables, and table is a collection of rows and columns. Correct? Table is a collection of rows and columns. Yes or no, please? Correct, guys? So what I'm trying to say, data is there. Data should be stored somewhere. Here, banking data is there, retail data is there, insurance data is there. It should store in system. Where it will store? It will store in database. But what is the structure of the database? Database contains different schemas. Schema is a collection of database objects. What is a schema? Schema is a collection of database objects. Schema is a collection of database objects. Schema is a collection of database objects like tables, views, synonyms, procedures, functions, triggers. There are many things are there. Tables or views or synonyms. There are many objects are there. One of the object is called a table. Understanding what is the database? Understanding what is the database? Everyone, are you clear? What is the database is? What is the database? Now, okay, fine. Data is there. It is a data is there. So table is a collection of rows and columns. Table is a column of rows and columns. So tables will store in schema. Schema will be, so tables will be stored in schema. Schema will be stored in database. Okay, so tables are stored in schemas. Schemas will be stored under database. Now, how to access the database in your system? Suppose you go to a bank. You deposited 10,000 rupees. In the bank, normally what kind of tables will be there? Customers table, employees table, loans table, credit card table, credit cards table, okay, debit cards table, okay. Like this, we'll be having different tables will be there in the bank. When you give 1,000 rupees, suppose you are depositing 10,000 rupees to cashier. If you give 10,000 rupees to cashier in a bank, he will open a form. He will enter your customer ID in the form. He will log into, suppose you go into ICICI Bank. He will log into ICICI Bank website. In the website, he will enter your customer ID or account number. When you enter your customer ID and account number, the details will come on the screen. And he will enter, there will be a text box called deposit. Under deposit, he will write 10,000, he will type, and he will click on save. When he click on save, it will go and save under customers table. It will go and save under customers table. Internally, they will be having a database and a table. It will go and store under customers table. Suppose tomorrow you came again to bank. You given 20,000. When he search, what he will do? He will open the ICICI Bank website again, and he will enter your customer ID. When he enter a customer ID, from the table, your data will fetch to the form. To where your details are coming to website, backend there is a database or a table. From the table, it is coming the data to the front end. So your database is a backend and your website is a front end. So ICICI Bank is having a website. So there, cashier will enter the details. When you enter the details and click on save, it will go in backend and save in the table in the schema in the database.
Again, when you search your customer ID from backend, the data will come to front end. That is website. That is how it will work. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? So this is how it will work. This is how it will work. Okay, fine. Now, how to see the tables? Suppose I have a bank. Suppose I have a system. I have a college. Okay. So I am the principal of the college, suppose. Okay. So I know that different, I have a database installed in my system. Okay. So database installed in the system, there are tables. How to see the table in the system? How I can see a table? I want to see my table in the system, in my laptop. How? To access the database, to access this database, to access any database server is required. Database server is required to access or to store or access the data from any database server or a database technology. Database server or a database technology is required. Database technology. What are the database servers you know? What are the database servers you know, or database technologies you know? We have Oracle database, SQL Server database, MySQL database, SQL Server database, MySQL database, Teradata database, DB2 database, okay, Greenplum database. Yes, please. Greenplum database. Yeah. Yes, Sybase database. Okay, MongoDB. Yeah, Cassandra DB. These are all the Postgre. Okay, Snowflake DB. There are different databases are there. There are different databases are there. So to see the data is stored in a table. Table is stored in schema. Schema is stored in database. But how you will see in your system? How you will see in your system? By using a database server or technology. By using a database server, you can see. If you have a database server, then only if you have Oracle, first you need to install Oracle. Suppose I have a college. I want to maintain my student details. Now what I will do? First I will install Oracle server. In my system, first I will install Oracle server. Okay, 1 second, please. One second. Yeah. First, what you need to do? First, we need to install Oracle software. Once you install Oracle software, you need to open Oracle software by using a SQL developer. And what you need to do? You need to create a table. Once you create the table, then website developer will give the access to website developer will create a website of my college. He will give the connection between database to website. He will give a connection between database to website. That means, as I'm telling again, I have a college. I have 1,000 students. Now suppose, now we have almost 700 students now in this batch. I have 700 students in my batch. A good example I tell. I have 700 students in my batch now. Morning, how many people joined? 430. Evening, almost 300 people joined. Now, I have a website, correct? I have my website. This is my website. Suppose this is my website. Rajinformatica.com is my website. Okay. Everybody is logged in my website. You went to login or sign up. Login with Google. You went to login with Google and you will sign in. Now you will sign in like this. Okay, you signed in. When you signed in, your data will be stored in the database. So I need to maintain 700 people data. Yes or no, please? Your name, your email ID, your phone number. Should I maintain or not? How I will maintain? When you log in, your details. What kind of details? Your Gmail ID. These details. If you see, your user ID, your username, your registered Gmail will store under a table in the database. Will store under a table under a database. Understanding? So first what I will do in my system, I will install Oracle. Okay. And I will create a table called students table. I'll create a students table. Now I will ask my website developer. Okay, there will be one website developer. He will create a website. He will link this website to the database. Whenever you logged into this website, your database, your details will be stored under a database or a table. Will be stored under a table. Table will be stored under where? Schema. Schema will be stored under database. Understanding? Everyone? This is called front end. This website is called front end. The table is called back end. So table will not be visible. Table will not be visible, but website will be visible. Website will be visible. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Are you clear? Able to understand what I'm saying? Okay. This is called a, now we need to learn now in real time. In real time. In real time. We will work with ETL tool. ETL tool, that is Informatica. ETL tool, that is Informatica with Oracle. So we will be working on back end. We will not, in real time, we will not work on websites, but we will work with ETL Informatica tool with a database. It can be any database. It can be Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, Greenplum, anything. Okay. But see, if you learn Oracle, the remaining things are easy. The remaining things are easy. Okay. So if you learn Oracle, okay. If you learn Oracle, no. Different servers will access different things. You cannot access Oracle database from MySQL. No, you cannot do like that. MySQL is a different server. Oracle is a different server. Okay. In real time, when you get a job, what your work? You will be working as an Informatica developer. ETL Informatica developer. You will be working as a ETL Informatica developer. So what and all works you will do? You will be working with ETL Informatica and also Oracle. Both you will work simultaneously in real time. Both are very important. Both you should learn. Understanding, please? Oracle, I'm saying, okay, Oracle is heart of Informatica, I can say. Is heart of any ETL tool. Oracle means database. A database technology is an heart of ETL, any ETL tool, that is Informatica. Understanding? Without learning a database, you cannot learn Informatica. Without learning database, you cannot learn Informatica. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Yeah, almost all same syntax will be there. Almost all same syntax. So from today, you give same importance. From today, you give same importance to Oracle and Informatica. You don't think that I joined Informatica training, I should learn only Informatica. You should give same importance to Oracle and Informatica. If you are practicing 2 hours Informatica, you have to practice 2 hours in Oracle also. Please keep in mind. Please keep in mind that you have to practice both. Okay? Because Oracle is a backbone or a heart of any ETL tool. It's a backbone. I can say backbone. The best example is backbone. Okay? It's a backbone. Any database is fine, please. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear? As I told you, if you want to get the jobs, first you need to listen carefully. Number 1, you should not miss any sessions. Number 2, listen first. Listen in laptop only. Don't use mobiles. Take a calm room, lock the room, put your mobile in silent and concentrate on the sessions. Don't take any screenshot. Don't write down any notes. I will give every notes. I'll send this notepad to you. Whatever I am showing you on the screen, I will send everything to you. I will send everything to you. Just listen, concentrate, listen and understand. That will solve you 100% problems. If you don't listen, you cannot practice. If you cannot practice, you will not get a job. Are you clear? From today, I'll create the practice groups. After some time, by afternoon, I'll create the practice groups. Okay, you please join in any one of the practice groups and practice effectively. Talk in English only when you join in practice groups. Are you clear? Everyone, are you clear, please? Yeah. Now, so as I told you, a database, as I told you, a database is a collection of schema. It's not a language. Oracle is not a language. It's a database. It is a database. Okay. But we will call that. We'll see. Please wait. Database is a collection of schema. Schema is any database. ETL tool will work with any database. That's why ETL tool will work with any database. A database will be backbone of ETL tool. ETL tool can work with any database. Database can work with any ETL tool. Database can work with any ETL tool. Are you clear? Informatica can use Oracle database, can use SQL Server database, can use MySQL database. Oracle database can use Informatica. Oracle database can use Talent. Oracle database can use SSIS. Clear? Are you clear, please? So, database is a collection of schema. Schema is collection of database objects like tables. Collection of database objects like tables, views, synonyms. Okay. Table is a collection of rows and columns. Okay. If you know Oracle, other databases are easy for you. If you know Oracle, other databases are easy for you. Other databases are easy for you. Understanding? Yes, please. Are you clear? Yeah. You can. Maybe Oracle integration tool will work with only OD. Oracle integration tool, Oracle data integration tool will work with only Oracle. But Informatica will work with any database. Informatica will work with any database. That's why they will use Oracle Informatica database. No need to learn all the databases servers. No need to learn. Learn anyone. Learn Oracle. That's more than enough. Okay. Collection of tables is called a schema. Collection of schema is called a collection of rows and columns. Collection of rows and columns. I'm just showing you now, right? I'm just showing you now. Collection of rows and columns is called a schema. Collection of schema is called a database. Clear? Collection of rows and columns is called a table. 1 second, please. Behold. Yeah. So database. So table is a collection of rows and columns. Schema is a collection of which database using wide range Oracle. Oracle is an old technology, old tool, that is old database. Still they are using Oracle. Okay. So now we need to learn. We need to learn our database. We need to learn our Oracle database. How to work with Oracle database, we need to learn. Okay. So now again, so first you installed Oracle, right? When I send the installation links, did you install Oracle first? That is Oracle server. Whatever you installed, that is Oracle server. So, but to access the tables will be stored in here. The tables whichever you created or the database objects will be stored in Oracle server. Now, how to get the tables how to see the tables? You need to install a Oracle SQL developer, a front-end tool called. By using SQL developer, you can create the table, you can insert the tables, or you can do anything. Okay. Now, so Oracle consists two parts. Oracle is mainly two parts. Oracle is mainly Salesforce also a database. Yes, Salesforce also a database. Okay. Oracle contains two things: SQL, PLSQL. SQL, PLSQL. SQL and PLSQL. What is SQL means? Oracle contains two things. What is SQL? Structured query language. Structured query language. Structured query language. What is PLSQL means? Procedural language. Structured query language. Structured query language. Okay. SQL means structured query language. PLSQL means procedural language, structured query language. To get the job in Informatica, Oracle SQL is enough. To get the job in Informatica, Oracle SQL is enough. If you know Oracle SQL, it's very easy to you. If you don't know, I will tell you from zero. You don't need to worry. PLSQL is not required. If you have interest, you can learn, but it is not mandatory. So now we need to see, we need to work with how to work with Oracle SQL. We need to see how to work with Oracle SQL. We need to see this now. Understanding, everyone? Understanding? So ultimately, what we wanted now, we need to work with a database. That means how to create a table, how to insert the data into table, how to delete the data into table, how to truncate the table, how to update the table. All these things we should understand. So how we will understand? We need to know the commands. Oracle commands we need to know. Okay. Oracle consists SQL and data. See, Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. To work with Oracle, we should learn SQL commands, PLSQL commands. These two are commands. These two are commands, not databases. Oracle is a database. Oracle is a database. To work with Oracle, you need to learn these two, SQL or PLSQL. Are you clear? No need PLSQL for ETL developer, not required. Not required. If you want to go as ETL developer, you can only learn SQL. To work with, see, suppose I want to write a story. If I want to write a story, I should know English language. If I want to write a story, shall I know English language? Same way. If I want to query a table from a database, I should learn about SQL. It's like a ABCD. Database is like a story. SQL is like a ABCDs. Understanding? Are you clear? Yeah. To work with Oracle, you must know SQL or PLSQL, SQL and PLSQL commands. Commands. There are some predefined commands which they already created. You need to learn them. So to learn the story, you require ABCDs. Who invented ABCDs? Whoever invented English. Without learning ABCDs, you cannot write words. Without writing words, without learning words, you cannot write lines. Without learning lines, you cannot write paragraphs. Without writing paragraphs, you cannot write a story. Same way, Oracle is like a story. If you want to write a story, if you want to read a book, suppose Oracle is a book. Oracle is a novel. If you want to read a novel, you should know English well. Same way, if you want to access the Oracle database, you must know SQL. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Now, where you will work with, where you will write the commands, how you will write the commands, you need to open Oracle SQL Developer now. How? Oracle, how many commands are there? There are many commands are there. Whichever is required, I will tell you. whichever is required for interview purpose, whichever is required for real-time purpose, I'll tell only those. Not all are required. Whichever is required things in our training, whichever is required. See, my training is job-based, real-time training. That means unnecessary things is not required in this training. Unnecessarily telling theory, unnecessarily telling different concepts which you want to use. I will tell only which they will ask in interview. I will tell only which you will work in real time. Only those I will tell. Apart from that, nonsense things I will not tell at all. Okay, because I am almost by this April, I'll complete my 12 years of experience. In my 12 years experience, I have interviewed many people. I know, and I went to many interviews. Okay, so I know what they will ask in the Informatica interview, what questions they will ask in the Informatica interview, what questions they will ask in Oracle interview. Those things I will cover in this training. And also, in my 12 years experience, what and all I worked in my different companies, I know those, only those I will tell. Unnecessary things we will avoid here. Clear? Are you clear, please? My every minute, almost I will take 75 to 80 hours. In my total training, almost 70 to 80 hours training I'll take. In these 70 to 80 hours, every minute is important, please. Every minute which is coming from my mouth is very important. Only important things I will tell. Not like this session is important, next session is not important. I can skip next session. I can join 4th session directly. No. If you don't understand this session, you cannot learn next session. If you miss today's session, you will not understand next session. So as I told you, take it as a 45 days challenge and don't go anywhere. Just stick onto the training. That's it. Okay. Are you clear? Understanding? So now I'm directly going to Oracle SQL Developer and we will learn some Oracle commands today. Few Oracle commands today we will learn. Okay. So before going to there, give me 1 minute. I will come back. I'll get some water. I'll come back. Give me 1 minute, please. Okay. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, guys. Okay. Yeah. Now, so, okay. Yes, guys. So now I will open Oracle SQL Developer. So how to open Oracle SQL Developer? You have to double click on SQL Developer. Here somewhere SQL Developer is there. Otherwise, I can search with SQL. Open it. If you see, open. So I almost all people installed Informatica, right? Almost all people installed Informatica. Yes, guys, you already installed. Okay. Yeah. If you don't install, please help. Please take help from others. Please take help from others. Okay. So they will help you for sure. Okay. So now this is Oracle SQL Developer window. So that is fine. You anyway, next session will be on Wednesday. Okay. So we have time. You can install. So one thing you need to understand here, guys. Okay. In our training, one thing you need to understand. One thing you need to understand. So no need to open. Don't do anything there. While I am doing here, you just listen. You do not do anything in your laptop. You don't open Notepad. You don't open Oracle SQL Developer. You don't open Informatica. You just listen. Understanding? Clear, guys? Yeah. So see, we have almost 700 people in our batch. We'll have 700 people. In those, almost 70% completed 70% completed Informatica installation. 70% already completed. Okay. But 30% are there. They did not complete due to they don't know how to install. They don't know, or their system is having a problem. Different problems are there. Their system is having problem. Okay. Or different things are there. So now, if you have any problem, first post in the group. Post that error in the group. People will help you. You should have some patience to get the help. Okay. First post the error in the morning batch group. You are all from morning batch. Post the screenshot in the morning batch group. Wait until you get a help. If you don't get a help, then WhatsApp me on 8105296858. Okay. See, if you WhatsApp now, don't expect me immediate reply, please. Daily, we will get 2000 to 3000 WhatsApp messages. Daily, we will get 2000 to 3000 WhatsApp messages. You don't know. Really, I'm saying. I have 5 members team. I have 5 members. Myself, my wife, okay. Myself, my wife, okay. Karthik, Harsha, Hari, Monica, Anjan. So total we are working, 7 people are working for you. And Prajakta. Total 8 people are working for you. If you will get some delay to your message for few days. For few days. That means until where? Maybe till this weekend. Till this weekend, people will be joining. So you will get some delay. If you get some delay, don't think that Raj is not replying to my message only. He is replying to every message. Don't think like that, please. So wait for, yes, only admins can send message. Why? Because they want to join today. They want to see. That's why I made admin. I'll remove it. I'll allow you to chat in WhatsApp. So please wait until we get we will send a message to you. Okay. Don't think that we are not replying to you only. We are replying the messages. 5 people will be sitting on the charts. 5 people in different 5 laptops. 4 people. WhatsApp web will open in 4 systems. Only 4 systems. 4 systems WhatsApp will open. 4 people will be replying to WhatsApp messages. My student WhatsApp messages. You people will reply. Old batch students will reply. New batch, the future batch students also will reply. Will send a message. We need to reply all the messages. It will take some delay. Okay. I am taking more people. I am taking 2-3 more people to work on you. Okay. That is number 3. When I will suppose you did not get a help in group. You did not get a help in group. Okay. You texted me in WhatsApp.
I will give your number to Prajakta. I'll give your number to Prajakta. Who is Prajakta, you know? Prajakta is my 4th batch student. Prajakta is my 4th batch student. Okay. So in 4th batch, how many people are there? First batch, I got 25 people. Second batch, I got 34. Third batch, I got 65. Fourth batch, I got 84. She is from 4th batch. From 5th batch onwards, 5th batch to 16th batch, she is handling Informatica installation. She almost installed 2000 systems. You don't know, she installed almost 2000 systems. So she is very good. She will surely help you, but you should have some patience. If she don't know some issue means nobody can install. Yesterday one issue has happened, okay? I'm telling an example. One girl joined into my training, okay? She paid and she joined to my training. Now who will, if you joined, either you will chat with me or your brother sister will chat with me. Who should? So you joined my class. Who should chat with me, or who should learn Informatica? Who should learn Informatica installation? Why you are giving it? Why I am giving Informatica installation links and video? You go to Amirpet, they will charge 3,000 rupees to install. Agree? If you go to Amirpet, just to install, they will charge 3,000 rupees. To save 3,000 rupees, otherwise, I can tell you, right, installation 2,000 rupees extra. I can tell you, right? But I did not tell you like that. I made a step-by-step, clear-cut video to you. So that, suppose you went to Amirpet today, you installed Informatica. Tomorrow, Informatica is formatted, your system is formatted. Again, you need to pay 3,000 to them. But here, I given a step-by-step video. By using that video, many non-IT people successfully installed. Yes or no, guys? If they don't know what is a table, what is a view also, what is thing, they successfully installed by seeing my video. Okay, fine. Good. Okay. Yesterday, that girl, what happened? She asked, why I given Informatica video installation? You should understand the installation at least. You should understand the installation at least. What is a repository? What is integration service? What is repository service? What is schema? What is table? At least something you will understand, right? Something, and you will feel comfort that yes, I installed myself. I don't know anything about system. I installed myself, and you will feel proud yourself, correct? You will have a self-confidence after installation. Yes, guys? Yes. So yesterday, what she has done? Her brother contacted to Prajakta. Okay. And he was arguing with Prajakta. You don't know anything about installation. You don't know, you are teaching me about installation. His brother is talking to Prajakta like this. Is it fair, guys? She is helping you. She is helping in midnights. You don't know. She is from Pune. She is working from home. Just daily, at least 20 to 30 people numbers I will send it to you. Send it to her. 20 to 30 people numbers I will send. She will surely contact. Sometimes immediately she will contact. Immediately she will contact. When I give the number to her, she will directly contact you, and she will what she will do, and she will tell you what to do, and she will schedule a Zoom call, and she will help you in the Zoom. Yes, guys. So you should have some patience. You should have some patience at least. You should show some respect on her. You should show some respect on my people. Arguing will not work here, please. Okay, fine. Today it did not install. Tomorrow you can install. Not a problem. Not a problem. Okay. So people will install. She will install for sure. If she says something, then you should be, because she know better than any other people. Till now she helped 2,000 to 3,000 people. Till now she helped. So please listen her words. Okay. And listen her words. Okay. And tell whatever she says. Suppose some people will be there because she installed twice. She told that it is not installing. You should format your system and you should install operating system newly. You should install your Windows 10 newly. Then you have to install. You have to take the laptop to laptop showroom. If you know how to install Windows, you can install. If you don't know, you take the laptop to laptop showroom and ask them to reinstall, they will install. Then the problem will solve. Don't argue with her, please. Please don't argue with her. I'm saying again, because she is very good. She will at a time, she is handling everyone. Okay, I did not get any single issue from her till now. She is promptly helping her. So show some respect on her and take help from her. Okay, got it, guys? If you paid to this training, means only you should chat with us, only you should learn, only you should chat with Projecta, please. No brothers, no sisters, no family members, please. If your family member is installing on yourself, he will learn about Informatica. When you will learn, then you have to learn yourself. That is why first I will send the links. First, I will ask you to install yourself by seeing the video. If you get stuck somewhere, then you have to text me. First, you try to take help from the group. If you did not get a help from the group, then ping to me on 81052658 only. Don't ping to any other numbers if you need a reply. If you ping any other number, we will not reply you at all. We will not see the mobile. Okay, we'll be always seeing the WhatsApp on this number only. So please WhatsApp to that number and please wait. Please wait for some time. Okay, are you clear? Yes, guys. Wait with patience. If you don't install today, tomorrow will be installed. If you don't install tomorrow, then day after tomorrow will install. Don't worry. Nothing will happen in 1 or 2 days. That is why I am going day by day, right? Next session on Wednesday. By Tuesday night, you can install. No problem. Okay, so please, this is how it will work here. Immediately I want response. Nobody are pinging me. Nobody are replying me means, no, we cannot do like that, please. You have to wait for it. And don't continuously call for something, please. Wait for it, please. Wait for some time. We will surely call you or will surely text you. You will surely get a reply. If you text at 1 o'clock also, you got replies, correct? You got the replies when you text at 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock also. You got it. People are working for you. So don't take that as a lenience, please. You are all well-matured people. You know how to behave with people. So please do like that. Okay? Clear, please? Got it? Okay? I'll not tell again and again about this. Please take care. Okay? Please have some patience. Wait with patience. Please wait. Okay? Yeah. And one more thing. Suppose Wednesday you want to join an evening batch. You are in morning batch now. Next session is on Wednesday. Wednesday you want to join in evening batch. At least Tuesday by 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you need to tell us. You should not tell that 7 o'clock you come to us, I want to join in evening batch. You should not tell like that. Okay. At least one day before, tomorrow morning, that means Wednesday morning, you are unable to join. You have some work on morning. Yes, we have flexibility. At least by Tuesday 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., you ask the access about tomorrow evening, that means Wednesday evening session, will give the access. If you come by 7 o'clock, 7:30, if you ask me, I cannot give, please. And one more thing. From next session, I will start the session exactly by 9:30, please. I will open the Zoom link by 9:15. I'll open the Zoom link by 9:15 a.m. If one person joined at 9:30 also, I will start by 9:30. I will not wait for anybody. 9:15, I will start the session, Zoom session. I'll wait for 15 minutes to join you. But 9:30 exactly, I will start the session. No more delays, please. We almost lost 20 minutes today. 9:50, I started the session today. Okay? Clear? Are you clear, guys? Yeah. So please follow that. You will get a best training here with 100% satisfaction, 200% satisfaction. You will go out of my training. I can guarantee you that. For that, we are working hard
for you. So think about ourselves also. If at a time 2000 people are texting means, how can we reply? Just think about it. Yes, my team is growing. My team is growing. Okay. Yes, I'll take 5 more people, but it will take some time. Yeah, I want a people now means nobody will get it. I won't get it and he will not work efficiently. Step by step, we are moving, we are growing. Same way, with us, you will also grow. Don't worry about it. Okay, fine, guys. Yeah. Now I am going directly to Oracle SQL Developer. So what we are learning now? We are learning Oracle SQL commands. What we are learning now? We are learning Oracle database, SQL, SQL commands. SQL also called as SQL. SQL also called as SQL. We are learning Oracle database, SQL commands. Where we will learn this, where we will write these commands. We will write the commands in where? Oracle SQL Developer. So you already installed Oracle, you already installed SQL Developer. How to open that? Open this, search with SQL, SQL, you search with SQL. Once you search with SQL, open it. Once you open, Oracle SQL Developer window will open. From this window, you will create a table, you will insert the records into table, you will delete a table, you will truncate a table, you will update a table. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Understanding? So now this is a Oracle SQL Developer window. In this window, the first one is the title bar. Title, Oracle SQL Developer homepage. This is called a menu bar. File, edit, view, navigate is called a menu bar. This is called a toolbar. This is called a toolbar. And this is called a navigation window. This is called workspace window. Title bar, menu bar, toolbar, navigation window, workspace window, and status bar. And if I write any query, an output window will be also there. An output window also will be there. An output window also will be there. Yeah. An output window also will be there like this. This is the output window. So navigator window, workspace window, output window, navigator window. Okay. 1 second, please. 1 second. Yeah. Navigator window, workspace window, output window. Here we will write the commands. Now, as I told you, to work with a table, you want to create a table in Oracle. The same table you want to create in Oracle. This is a table, right? You want to create in Oracle. How? Before you creating a table, you should have a schema, correct? In the database, we will be having different schemas. Yes or no? We'll be having different schemas. Yes, we have different schemas. First, you need to create a schema. First step is create a schema in SQL Developer, in Oracle SQL Developer. How to create a schema? If you see the left side, all these things are called schemas. You see this? All these are called schemas. OT, OTSRC dev new, OTSRC dev new, dev 1, dev 10, dev 2. These are all schemas. I told you, schema is collection of database objects. Click on this. Click on any schema. When you click on a schema, are you seeing here tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions? These are all called what? Database objects. This is a database. Database is a collection of schema. Schema is a collection of database objects. One of the database object is tables. See, here I have tables, rows and columns. Are you seeing? Yes, please. Understanding? Everyone able to understand, please? Now, you need to, what you need to do? First, you need to, before you create a table. Now, what I am doing now, by using Oracle SQL, I want to create this table. I created an Excel sheet. I don't want an Excel sheet. I want to create this table in Oracle. Before creating a table,
you need to create a schema. How to create a schema? How to create a schema in Oracle SQL Developer? How to create a schema? You have to write a command. So now you need to write a SQL command to create a schema. You need to write a SQL command. How to write a SQL command? First, it will be like this. Normally, it will be like this. I'll open again. For you, I'll open again. SQL, search with SQL. SQL developer will visible. Open it. Once you open, it will show like this. First, you need to create a schema like this. To create a schema, we will be having a sys user already, user or schema already. This schema is owned by Oracle. When you install Oracle, this sys schema will come by default. Yes or no, please? If you install Oracle, this sys schema will come by default. Yes? Did you see when you install? This sys will come by default. This sys schema will come by default. First, you connect to sys schema. How to connect to this sys schema? Click on this plus symbol left side. For the sys, there is a plus symbol. When you click, the sys will open a window. See here SOS. Yes, SOS means system. Oracle system schema it is. Under this, you need to write create schema. You need to create the schemas. Under this, you need to write a command for creating a schema. What is your schema name? A schema name can be your name, my name, any name. But I am giving some meaningful name. OT, SRC, Dev 11. My schema name is some name. I am giving some name. OT, SRC, Dev 11. OT means order tables. SRC means source. Dev means development. What is that? We'll see later. What is that? We'll see later. But now I need to create. See here, I have OT, SRC, Dev 1, Dev 2, Dev 3, Dev 4, Dev 10. Now we'll create Dev 11, some schema I am creating. I am creating some schema. Okay. So how to create a schema? You need to write Y underscore. You cannot give a space. For a name, any name, you cannot give a space like this. You cannot give a space. Why we should give underscore? To easily readable. No, schema can be started with anything. Schema name can be Raj. Schema name can be Ram. Schema name can be Ramya. Anything can be possible. But I am giving some name. That's it. Now, I want to create a schema. How to create a schema? You need to write a create schema statement. Create user. User means schema. Create user, schema name, OT, SRC, Dev 11, identified by password. So what is the syntax? Syntax means what? This is how you need to write. Syntax means this is how you need to write. You cannot write any other way. How to write? Create user, username or schema name, identified by password, That is, this is a syntax of, syntax means what? Like this only you need to write. You need to write create user, username or schema name. That is, schema name is OTSRC Dev 11, identified by whatever the password you give, you should use that password. You can give any case. But password will be case sensitive. If you use password in small, you should use in small only. If you use in capital, you should use in capital only. Okay. So this is a syntax for creating a schema. This is a syntax and example. Syntax means rule. You need to write like this only. You should not like, I can write like this, user, create, schema. No. You should follow this format. This format is given by Oracle SQL. That is called a syntax. So you write like this. Create user, schema name, identified by password, give a semicolon at the last. Now, how to execute it? How to execute it? You can give any password. You can give your name, my name, any name, but you should remember it. For a meaningful, for a thing, admin I am giving. You can give any password. You can give any username. You can give any username. You can give any password. Understanding? Understanding? How to replace it, we'll see later. Okay. Now you need to execute it. You return it. How to execute? Select this. Select this with mouse. Are you seeing one run button? Green arrow mark, green triangle mark. So click on this. When you click, user OTSRC dev11 is created. The output window, it will show whether it is success or not. It is success. It is success. Syntax can be any case. Syntax can be any case. Okay. Small letters, capital letters, any fine. But password, if you use small letter only. If it is capital, use capital letter only. After that, give some grants. Give some grants. Okay. If you execute again, it will give error. It will give error. Already exist. Please wait. I will tell you how to where to create table. Please wait. First, I have created a schema. First, create user is nothing but a syntax. Yes. You can give OTSRC dev10, dev11, dev12, password as admin or Raj or your name, my name, any name you can give. Any username, any password you can give. But this should be like this only. In this way only you should use. After that, you need to grant something. You need to grant something. Okay. Please wait. I'll tell you where to check. I'll tell you. Please wait. Now, you just write these two commands. You don't think about commands. What are this? Grant all privileges to. What are this? You don't require. You will not do this in real time. Okay. Grant DBA to OTSRC developer. What are this? You don't require at all. You no need to learn about this. Just execute it. Select it. Execute. Select it. Execute. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Understanding? 1 second, please. Give me a second. My daughter is calling. Please wait. Yes, guys. So, if you want to create a schema, you need to execute these three. You no need to learn about these two. At a time, you can execute. Give a semicolon, select all, execute. What is this grant all? What is grant DBA? You don't require, leave it. We'll see later. Okay. So to create a schema, you should follow like this. Create user username, create user schema name identified by password, grant all privileges to schema name, grant DBA to schema name. Give a semicolon on each end of the line, select all and execute, or one by one select and execute. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? How to create a schema? Are you clear? This is how you need to create a schema. After creating a schema, you need to configure the schema. After creating the schema, what you need to do? You need to configure the schema. You need to configure the schema. How to configure the schema? You created a schema, but I'll send every step. Don't worry, please. Whatever I am showing you on the screen, I will send you. You no need to worry. Just listen what I am saying. Just listen what I am saying. Okay. What is OTSRC dev11? It's a schema name. It's a schema name. It is a schema name. Are you clear? Understanding? Yeah. Okay. Now, once you create a schema, where you will see that schema? How you know that it is created or not? You need to configure it. How to configure it? Are you click on plus here? Are you seeing plus? New connection. Click on this new connection. Now it is asking something. Name. Give the name OTSRC dev11. Username OTSRC dev11. Name and username same. Password, whatever the password you given here, the same password you have to give here. Whatever the password you give here, the same password you have to give here. Whatever the user you have given here, the name and username must be same. So name can be different, but use the same thing. Don't confuse. And give admin here, save password. Let it be the same. Don't change and test. Are you seeing success? What you need to do? Click on plus symbol. This plus, not this one. This one. New connection. Green plus button. Click on plus. Name will be your schema name. OTSRC Dev 11. Username also OTSRC Dev 11. Password is admin. Whatever you given the password, the same password. Save password. Test the connection. And connect it. And connect it. Now see please. A schema is configured. Are you seeing a schema? Are you seeing a schema please? OTSRC Dev 11. And it is opened here also. When you click on the plus symbol, there are tables, views, indexes, packages, procedures, functions, operators, but nothing is created. Now you created a schema. How you created a schema? You click on this plus symbol, then you went there. You written this command, create user OTSRC Dev 11, identified by password. Grant all privileges, grant DBA. What are these two? Don't think about it, these two. Just execute, I'll tell later. You will not understand if I tell now also. I'll tell this later. Are you clear? But to work with the schema, you should execute all these commands. Are you clear, guys? Are you clear? You can use hyphen also. Instead of underscore, you can use hyphen also. Normally, we'll use underscore in real time. Okay? Got it, guys? Now a schema is created. Now, by clicking a plus symbol, you can create like that also. You can come to schema, sys and other users. Click on plus, you can do like that also. But I have shown you in different way. That's it. Okay? You can use any way. Now, so you created a schema. You configured a schema. You configured a schema. Now you are ready to create the tables inside the schema. So this is a database. Inside the database, schema is there. Inside a schema, tables will be there. What is repo down? All those things we'll see later. Understand about command syntax, both are same. Command syntax, both are same. Okay. To write a command, we should follow the syntax. Okay. So now we need to learn today how to create a table. I want to create the same table in Oracle. What I want? I want to create the same table. What is the table name? Students. How many columns are there? 4 columns. How many records are there? 5 records. Yes or no? There are 4 columns. Student ID, student name, marks, city. How many records are there? 10, 20, 30, 40, 60. These are the records. 10 Raj, 100 Bangalore, 20 Ram, 20 Chennai, 30 Ramesh, Goa, 40 Divya Vizag, 60 Ramya, Delhi. These are the different records. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? Understanding? Yes, guys. Everyone understood about it? Now you need to create a table first. First, you need to create a table. To create a table, you need to create a table with the columns first. Normally, see, student ID will be normally what? It will be numbers, right? Student ID will be in numbers. Student name will be in characters, correct? Student marks will be in numbers. Student city will be in characters. Correct, please? Yes, guys? Student ID will be in numbers. Student name will be in characters. Student marks will be in numbers. Student city will be in characters. Now, how to create? What is your table name? Students. How to create a table? Open the schema. It's already connected. Suppose if it is closed. If it is closed like this, everything is closed. Everything is closed, like suppose. Everything is closed. Okay. You created a schema. You configured it. but it is closed. What to do? You right click on your schema, open SQL worksheet, right click, select it, right click, open SQL worksheet. When you open, it will open like this. Are you clear? Are you clear, please? If it is closed accidentally, if you want to open, right click on it, open SQL worksheet. You can open n number of SQL worksheets of the same schema. You can open n number of SQL worksheets of the same schema. It is also what SRC11. This is also what SRC11. This is also new pages. Just these are new pages. That's it. Now you need to write a create table statement. Now, what you want to do? Create table statement you need to write, because you are creating a table now. What you are doing now? You are creating a table now. To create a table, okay? To create a table, you need to write create statement command. Which command you need to write? Create table statement command you need to write. So how to write a create table statement, we will see now. Like this, we'll see. We'll do. See here. Create. You need to write a syntax now. You need to write syntax again. Create table, table name, students, create table, table name, open the bracket, and write the column names. What are the column names we have? Student ID, student ID. Student ID is in which type? It will be number type. It will allow only numbers. So you need to write a data type. Data type means what? What type of data will be there inside this column? What kind of data it should allow? It's a number data type. Number of 5. That means it will allow 5 digits only. If you give number of 5, it will allow 5 digits. It will allow up to 5 digits. It will allow, suppose if you give number of 2, it will allow only 2 digits. It will allow only 2 digits. Till 99, you can give any number here. Till 99, you can write any number. 99, 100 if you write, it will give error. So if you give student ID number of 2 means this student ID will allow only numbers, and that too up to 2 digits only. Are you clear? What is this number? This is column name. This is data type. This is size. Are you clear, please? Understanding everything, everyone? Understanding? So you are creating a table. First, you need to create the columns. You need to decide before you create a table. You need to decide for student ID, what type of data it will be there. It will be number data. How many numbers it can present? It can present up to 2 digits or 3 digits. 3 digit means 999. Okay, it will allow 0 to 99 numbers here. Either 0 or 1 or 10 or 20 or 30 or 99. It will allow only 2 digits. That is called data type, comma. What is the next column? Student name. Student name. What is the next column? Student name. You can write any case. You can write any case. You can write uppercase, lowercase. Any case. No problem. Okay. Normally we'll write in uppercase. Okay. Later, if you want to increase numbers, we'll see later. First, understand the basics, please. Okay. Let people understand the basics. Later, if you want to increase the number, you can increase the number. We'll see later. Now, student name must contain only characters. How many characters it should contain? Maximum 6 characters it can contain. Suppose. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum 6 characters. A student name can A, it will allow. A student name ABC, it will allow. ABCD, it will allow. Only 6 characters, up to 6 characters. Up to 6 characters it will allow. So, what kind of a database? Varchar2. Varchar2 means it's a character data type. Varchar2 of 6, comma. Second column, data type, size, comma. Next, student marks can have only 3 digits. 3 numbers only. It contains 3 numbers only. Student ID can have variables and contacts and numbers. We'll see later, please. Please wait. Understand the basics first. Understand the basics first, please. We'll see all those things later. Okay. So varchar2 is a data type in Oracle. It represents character data type. Like number contains numbers, varchar2 contains characters, comma. Next column is marks. Marks. Marks should contain numbers. How many digits it can contain? Only 3 digits. Only 3 digits. Done. Comma. Next is city. How many characters? 10 characters maximum. 10 characters maximum it can allow, suppose. So you can write column name, data type, varchar2 of 10. Close the bracket, give a semicolon. So how to write? Create table, table name, open and close the bracket. In between, open and close the brackets. Column 1, data type 1, size. Column 2, data type 2, size, comma. Column 3, data type 3, size, comma. Column 4, data type 4. Understanding? Varchar2 is a character data type. Like number data type, varchar is a character data type in Oracle SQL. Are you clear, please? Are you clear? Inside the schema, we are creating the tables. Yes. First, you need to create a table structure. Empty table you need to create. We are creating like this now. We are creating an empty table. We are creating a table like this. We are just giving the column names. But we need to decide, before you create a table, you need to decide student ID is which data it may allow. Number data only. How many digits you want to allow? 2 digits only. Student name, how many characters you can allow? Student marks, how many numbers you can allow? Student city, how many characters you can allow? You can do like this and execute it. And execute it. To a table students created. Is the table student created? Did you see this? In the output window, did you see? Table students created. This is how you need to create a table. Create table, table name, create table, table name, open and close the bracket. Column 1, data type, size, comma. Column 2, data type 2, size, comma. Column 3, data type, size, comma. Column 4, data type, size, comma. N number of columns you can create. You can create 100 columns, 1000 columns, 2000 columns. N number of columns you can create. Understanding? Are you clear, please? Everyone, are you clear? Now, so now you created a table. How to see the table, whether it is created or not? It is showing it is created. But how to see whether this table is created or not? How to see? You need to go to left side. You disconnect it, right click on it, disconnect this and connect again. And click on the tables. Are you seeing students here? Are you seeing students here? Yes, guys? Yeah. So now a empty table is created. So you created a table structure, table definition. You created a table structure with only column names. There is no data inside it. Do we have the data inside it? Why character 6 only? That is my requirement. That is my requirement. My requirement is what? My requirement is student ID should contain numbers, 2 numbers only. Student name contains only 6 characters. Student marks contains only 3 numbers. Student city, I decided before I create a table, based on my requirement, I decided like this. That's why I am doing like this. Are you clear? Are you clear, guys? Understanding? Everyone? Now, table is created. How to see the table? You can disconnect and connect it. Yes, it is mandatory. Few data types, it is not mandatory to create a size, but we'll see all those things later. First, do whatever I say. First, do whatever I say. Remaining things I'll cover in later. let people understand the basics first. Okay. First do whatever I say. Later I will tell you with if the data type having size or not. Okay, how to change the data type, how to change the size, how to change the table name, how to change the column name. All those things I will tell later. Okay. If you execute more than once, it will give error. The table is already created with the name students. If you try to execute again, it will give error. The table already exists. It will give error. Table are you create table. Name is already used by an existing object. Name is already used by an existing object. How to use both numbers and characters, I'll tell later, please. Understanding, guys, everyone, how to create a table? Now, if you want to see the structure of a table, okay, so next is create a table. How to create a table? Like this. How to create a table? Like this. Okay. How to create a table? Like this. Yeah. Create table students. Like this, you need to create a table. After creating a table, if you want to see the structure of a table, if you want to see the structure of a table, if you want to see the structure of a table, see the structure or definition of a table or definition of a table, see the structure of a definition of a table. How? You have a command called DESC, describe command, describe table name. When you give describe table name, select. So describe structure means I will show you now what is structure. Execute. This is called the structure. See, whatever we given here, it is showing here. Student ID number 2, student name varchar 6, marks number 3, city varchar to 10, name type null, we'll see later. This is called the structure or a definition of a table. Just the column names, data type, length is called a structure of a table or a data type or a definition of a table. So describe or DSC, both are same. Either you give DSC table name. So how to see the definition of a table? Describe table name, DSC table name. Are you clear, please? Understanding? Understanding, everyone? Suppose you want to see the data inside into the table. Now, if you want to see, I want to see the data inside the table. I want to see the rows in the table, data or rows inside the table. How many rows exist in the table? Inside the table, how to see? I want to see the data or rows. For that, you can write select star from table name. Select star from table name. Star means all columns. Select all columns. See, student ID. If I select this, select student ID, student name, marks, city from students. Execute. There are no rows yet. It is an empty table. It is having only column names, only column headers. Select star means columns, all columns, or you can write like this also. Select student ID, comma, student name, comma, marks, comma, city from students. From students. Execute. Student name is wrong. Spelling wrong. Yeah, execute. The same thing. Select star. Sorry, guys. Select star or select all columns from the table. Both are same. Understanding? Select all columns from the table. Are you clear? Understanding, everyone? Are you clear how to create a table? So if you want to see the data, you should write either select star from students or you can write select student ID. If you want only one column, suppose you want to see only one column, then give select student ID from students. Just give one column. It will show only one column. If you want two columns, just give two columns with a comma. It will give only two columns. It will give only two columns. Are you clear, guys? Understanding, everyone? This is how you need to create a schema. You need to create a table. You need to describe the table. You need to see the structure of a table. You need to see the data of that or rows of a table. You need to see like this. Are you clear about it? Understanding everyone? Is my session is understandable to you? Non-IT guys? Are you feeling comfortable? Are you feeling comfortable? Are you getting confidence that you can do it? Are you feeling confidence that you can do it? Yes, you can do it. You can do it. There is nothing difficult here. You have to practice. You have to practice. Okay. So now, what is the next step? What is the next step? Now, today, first, everyone, is there any limit? I will tell you the limits. I'll tell you the limits later, please. Is space also considered as a character? Yes, space also considered. Output window, what is the query result? This is the query result. This is a query result. Okay. So now, what you need to do after this class? Please download Zoom software to your laptop. What you need to do now? After this class, what you want to do? You have to download Zoom software. If you already downloaded, then fine. Zoom software or application. How to download? Open rajinformatica.com. Log in with your Gmail ID. Go to students. Are you seeing download Zoom app? Are you seeing download Zoom app? Click on it. Click on it. Are you seeing download? Are you seeing download? Click on download. When you click on download, it will download. After that, click on it, install it. After installing, log in. After installing, log in Zoom with the Gmail ID given to me. If you already installed, no need to install already. No need to install again. If you are joined from Chrome, if you joined from web browser, from Wednesday, it will not work. You have to use Zoom software only. Are you clear? Give me 1 second. Give me 1 minute, please. What if student ID is combination of numbers and characters? I'll tell you in the next session. Please wait. Please wait. Okay, guys. So what I have told, download the Zoom app. Once you download, it will show like this. Install it. Once you install, click on login. Click on sign in. Click on sign in here. Click on sign in. Okay. Click on sign in on the Zoom software. Select your Gmail ID. Select Google. Are you seeing Google here? Guys, are you seeing Google here? First install Zoom app in your laptop only. In your laptop, download the Zoom app. Download the Zoom app. Okay. And install the Zoom app. Then sign in. Once you sign in, it will come like this. You click on your Google. Whatever the Gmail ID you given to me while you are registering to my training, the same Gmail ID you should give. If you give different Gmail ID, you cannot log in from Wednesday. Gmail ID which you given to me is very important. Click on the Google and give that Gmail ID. Sign in with your Gmail ID. After that, it will open like this. It will open like this. Here, the main thing you need to do, click on this profile. Are you seeing one logo here? Are you seeing this logo at the top right? Yes, guys. Click on this and change your name as full name. And change your name as full name. I don't want to see like anybody joining admin, some people joining laptop 1, laptop 2. Don't do like that, please. So what you need to do? Go to rajinformatica.com, log into your account, log in with your Gmail ID, download Zoom app. Once you download Zoom app, double click on Zoom app and click on sign in. Then give the Google, select Google there, give your Gmail ID which you given to me and log in with that and go to your profile section. This is profile. Click on this, your R. Suppose your name is, you given R or something, you given this. Click on the profile section, change your name as full name, your full name. Change it. After that, click on join. After that, click on join. Once you click on join, I will give the user ID password to you now. I'll give the user ID password to you, to everyone. I'll give the user ID password to you. Okay, 1 second, please. You have to test it after this class. You have to test after this class. Okay, please wait. Please wait. 1 second, please. Give me a second, guys. Please give me a second. Give me a second, please. Give me a second. Okay, I'll send this user ID password in the group. I'll send this user ID password in the group. Now I will end this call. You rejoin
by trying with this meeting ID password. If you join today by using this meeting ID password, you can join from Wednesday with the same. You check whether you got the access for Zoom or not. We already given the access to everyone. Now what I am saying, first go to rajinformatica.com, go to students, log in with your Zoom, go to students, that means login first, go to students, first login. After that, go to students, download Zoom app. You can download the Zoom app here. Once you download, double click on it. Once you download, double click on it. Okay. And 1 second. Double click on it. Yeah, here. Double click on it. Once you double click on it, it will ask sign in. Click on the sign in. Once you sign in, okay, it will ask the Gmail. In the sign in, you should use this Google account. Use Google account. Give your Gmail ID password, which you given to me. Give your Gmail ID here. Don't give any other Gmail ID. Use your registered Gmail ID. After that, change your name, change your profile name, Okay, click on this. A letter will be there, A, B, C, D, or like that. Change your profile name, or you can change your picture also. Okay, change it. And after that, click on join, and give the user ID password, which I am sending you now in the group, and test whether you are able to join or not. You will be able to see my screen. If you are able to see my screen, not screen, I'll send you what you need to see. What you will see, I'll send you that also. So if you're seeing that screen, then you are good. You can drop off. You can just try and leave the meeting. Will you do it? Will you do it, guys? I'll not speak anything. I'll not speak anything to test you. To go next session will be on Wednesday. Next session will be on Wednesday. There is no session on tomorrow. Next session will be on Wednesday. Wednesday, if I tell all these things on morning, it will take some time. So I don't want to I don't want to waste the time. So what I'll do, I will, okay, by what date it will complete the course? 45 days it will take. From 6th of January to 45 days, you calculate. By that date, it will complete. It will take 45 days, 45 to 50 days, based on the holidays. If you don't get holidays, 45 days you will get. Okay? You join, please don't copy paste password. Copy paste your username. Password you type it. Password you always type. Okay, guys? Shall we rejoin? Shall we rejoin? And the class is over. Today's class is over. I will post that link in the website. Whoever paid 15,000, they will get the access. Whoever not paid the 15,000, please pay full payment and get the website access. In the website, there will be these things. What? So from Wednesday, I will not send any Zoom link or password. This is a Zoom link password for Wednesday. Whoever paid, only they will be having access. Others, there will be no access. Okay. So please, today I create a public link. From Wednesday, no public link, please. From Wednesday, no public link. The same user ID password you should use. Only whoever given the Gmail IDs, only those having access. No other Gmail IDs having access. Clear about it? Are you clear, guys? I will send the user ID password in group, WhatsApp group. Take it and join. If you are able to join, then good. Then good. You can leave the meeting. Directly join on Wednesday. Okay, guys? Clear? Notes I will send. In the website I will send. Okay? Fine, guys. Thank you all. Bye-bye. So I hope everyone liked my training. Did you like my training, guys? Are you able to understand my training? Yes, you are able to understand my training? Yeah. So please comment on. I'll upload this YouTube video. If this video on YouTube, everyone like, comment. Everyone like and comment, please. Whatever the first video and second video, please like and comment. Will you do it? Will you do it? Please like and comment. I'll create the practice groups in some time. Please like and comment. You just rejoin and leave. Don't wait for me. If you're able to join, then leave it with the new user ID password which I'm sending. With the new user ID password which I'm sending. So please, I'm requesting you. I will upload the session in YouTube. First session and second session. Please comment it whatever you like. Please comment it whatever you like. Okay, guys? Fine? Yeah? Okay? Fine, guys. Thank you all. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.